Ulefone Armor 33 Pro versus Ulefone Armor 29 Ultra. Rugged Beast Showdown.
What you're about to see will redefine your expectations. Hey! Welcome to my Gist Point, also known as my tech hub, where gadgets are compared, analyzed, and tactically interrogated, so you can finally make the right choice before your next purchase. Today's ultimate face-off? Between your favorite brands? Yes, same family, totally different destinies, so buckle up. One of these might look like the winner, but wait till you see the camera breakdown. Display info. Let's begin with the first thing you'll notice, the display. The display size. Is it perfect for your palm, or an awkward stretch every time you scroll? And those display types, are they even acceptable in 2025? You're getting AMOLED or LCD, but are you settling? Resolutions, crystal clear, or pixel painful? What about refresh rate? Is your screen flowing like a butter smoothie or staggering like a broken record? Touch sampling rate, because you shouldn't have to tap twice for every response. Display protection. Are you satisfied with the kind of protection used on these devices? Now, water resistance. Will this phone survive the rainstorm during your outings or drown in your morning coffee? But that's just scratching the surface. Let's talk about the designs that wrap these beasts. Design info height differences. Are we looking at sleek elegance or pocket distress? How about the width? Is it palm perfect or palm pain? Next, thickness. Will it disappear into your jeans or bulge like a brick? And let's be real, weights and build qualities matter. Do they feel like premium glass and steel or plastic regret? Most people don't even realize this, but the design tells you what the hardware is hiding. Chipset and hardware CPU clock speed. Are you getting lightning fast load times or digital lag syndrome? GPU version. Gamers, this one's for you. Can this run your favorite game without breaking a sweat? And RAM, what's the data transfer speed? Are you multitasking like a king or lagging like it's 2012? Internal storage, enough for your dreams or just your regrets? Chipset version, are you a light user just texting and scrolling, or a heavy user demanding power? And the department that requires the most attention is the microprocessing department. Network type, are you still stuck on 4G when the world is moving to space? This department is critically important to the overall process. Therefore, it is essential to monitor its operations closely. But even the best processor is nothing without power. Battery and charging battery size. Will this last you through your 9 to 5 and your 12 to 3 binge sessions? Charging speed, oh no. Are you stuck waiting hours while the competition charges in minutes? Are you satisfied with any of these? Or did one of these devices miss the mark again? One of these might look like the winner, but wait till you see the camera breakdown. Camera lovers, gather close. Rear camera, zoom in, focus, frame. What's your take on this setup? Because what you're about to see will redefine your expectations. Are these the specs you were expecting? Let's take a look at the next one. Zoom in, focus, frame. What's your take on this setup? So you can finally make the right choice before your next purchase. Before you buy a smartphone, consider its camera's sensor size, aperture, and stabilization. A larger sensor and wider aperture, lower f number, are crucial for capturing more light, resulting in better quality photos, especially in low light conditions. Additionally, look for optical image stabilization, OIS, to minimize blur from hand movements for both sharp photos and smooth videos. Wow, this is interesting. Choose wisely though. Video recording abilities, 4K, stabilization, night mode, or are you getting shaky memories? Now to the selfie camera. Are these the specs you were expecting from these two devices? Will your next Instagram post be iconic or embarrassing? Video recording with the front cam. Can it handle your vlogging dreams? But even the best camera is pointless if the software isn't backing it up. Software operating system, cutting edge, or last year's leftovers? User interface, smooth like butter or laggy like frozen rice? Any bloatware clogging your device? Or is it clean and optimized like your digital sanctuary? Connectivity, GPS, accurate or lost in the forest? NFC, essential or absent? Near field communication, NFC technology allows users to make secure transactions, exchange digital content, and connect electronic devices with a touch. USB type, fast and future ready. Audio jack, gone or still hanging on? Fingerprint reader, fast, reliable, or frustrating? There are 4 primary types of fingerprint scanners, namely optical, capacitive, ultrasonic, and thermal. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth versions this year ready. This year ready, pricing and benchmark. Let's talk money. Prices. Are these fair? Or have we crossed into the land of delusion? Are you overpaying for the logo or getting real value? Antutu benchmark score. How do they rank? Because numbers don't lie, but sometimes marketing does. Final verdict. Star ratings. Out of 5, what do you say? Which of these deserves to live in your pocket? Drop your comments below. Your next device might just be waiting for your wisdom. Like, share, and subscribe, because here at My Gist Point, my tech hub, we don't just compare gadgets, we reveal truths before you buy.